Yes. So we have sustainable footwear, we have sustainable apparel, we have so many sustainable cosmetics. So sustainability का basic meaning है that we are not trying to harm the environment. We are trying to produce or maybe manufacture or pack our materials in such a manner it is not harming the environment. We are trying to reuse and recycle things and use the minimum number of resources. Sustainability has a lot of aspects. So this consumer psychographic information which I've mentioned here is one such example. Maybe this is the demographic data and we have certain consumer bracket. सब ऐसे नहीं होते. We have a certain consumer group who thinks like this, right? Who enjoys outdoor activities such as hiking, camping and backpacking. This is one consumer psychographic profile. Am I clear till now? What do you mean by psychographic profile? Anybody who has a doubt here? Tulika beta, are you listening? Are you clear as to what is a psychographic profile?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's move forward. We have this is an again psychographic profile के examples हैं. Somebody who's concerned with their health and appearance, wants a healthy lifestyle, enjoys going online in evenings. मतलब online shopping करते हैं वो evening में जाके घर पे आराम से. Then we have tend to favor quality over economy. Finds fulfillment in her career and family. So this psychographic profile is a mixture of a lot of things. What do they believe? What a lifestyle they live? What are their values in life? What do they prefer or what do they do in their entire day? So a psychographic profile is something like this. It looks like this. So I have one more example here. Say for example, consumer habits or interests. All right, they can tell a marketer about the things that the consumers spent a lot of time on. So if you see here in this slide, if you target a customer who loves yoga and you are trying to sell them nutritional counseling programs, you want to do that. So आप क्या करेंगे? उनका psychographic क्या है कि उनको योगा पसंद है. This is a part of their psychology and lifestyle. So आप क्या करेंगे? In your marketing communication messages, you will involve all images that are involving yoga. बार बार आप योगा पे focus करेंगे, right? So am I clear that how this psychographic data can be used to market products or for that matter segment products? We will do अभी segmentation बचा है. It's not over yet. So till here I hope I'm clear. Anybody who has a doubt can raise their hand. Now here as we see, let's talk about personality as a segmentation variable, a part of psychographics. So as pointed out by students that personality is the way you present yourself or the way you are as a human being. So we have different personality traits of people, somebody is aggressive, somebody is very extrovert. I hope you know the meaning of extrovert. Anybody who does not know, I'll just explain. Extrovert means जो बहुत बात करता है, who's happy go lucky, who talks to people, who is not very shy and submissive. Or somebody is creative, somebody is very emotional, somebody is very friendly, somebody is helpful, polite. All these are personality traits. So we have these examples here which are targeting different personality traits. चलो एक एक करके समझते हैं. The first image किसका है boys? The very first image on top. कौन सा बाइक है? अच्छा नाम मत बताओ बाइक का, कुछ आइडिया दो. अर्पित. अर्पित कौन सी बाइक है ये? हार्ले जैसी लग रही है मुझे. हार्ले रॉयल एनफील्ड हार्ले लग रही है. कम ऑन बॉयज, किसी को नहीं पता कौन सी बाइक है ये?
मैम हार्ले डेविडसन.
मैम
हार्ले. और अगर अच्छा चलो हार्ले नहीं लेते, इफ यू टेक फॉर एग्जांपल रॉयल एनफील्ड आल्सो, दैट योर बुलेट दैट यू हैव, नो गर्ल्स वुड नो दिस नेम. Why what is the personality trait these bikes are actually targeting? कैसे लोगों को ये बाइक पसंद आएगी? सोचो. Anybody?
Bike enthusiast.
Bike enthusiast. Okay, somebody who loves biking. ठीक है ना? Status symbol. Status symbol के लिए हार्ले हो सकती है. Yes, somebody who wants to splurge money on luxury and he likes to bike. Okay. What else? Somebody who maybe travels. ये आपके bike rides होते हैं. I hope you all are aware you have these bike rides where we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
set of bikers
Yes.
going to Manali, Leh Ladakh and all that.
बन के लेके जाते हैं
Yes, so these kind of bikes are targeting those people, personality who are maybe very enthusiast towards biking as a phenomenon. उनको बहुत पसंद है biking. Those who are more extrovert, they want to travel, they want to move abroad, उनको बाहर जाना है, they want to talk to people, they want to move ahead of their normal local area. So this is one trait. So let's talk about these Netflix series. What kind of people would watch these series? And Bahubali हटा दो. Hostages हो गया, we have Mirzapur, we have the Sacred Games. What kind of people would watch these series? उनका नेचर कैसा होगा? बहुत सॉफ्ट होंगे.
सारे यूथ देख रहे हैं इनको
हाँ जी.
मैम एट द मोमेंट तो सारे लोग भी देख रहे हैं इनको लाइक ऑल द यंगस्टर्स
Not all the youngsters. I know a lot of people who do not like Mirzapur or Sacred Games. कम कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनको ब्रुटैलिटी नहीं पसंद, उनको मारधाड़ नहीं पसंद. They don't like such shows. They move on to comic series.
हम जिन्हें थोड़ा रॉ कंटेंट चाहिए जिसमें सेंसरशिप ना हो ज्यादा.
Yes, raw content चाहिए. They are more adventurous. They want to explore new things. उनको they don't मतलब बहुत shy होगा, polite होगा, submissive होगा. Somebody who does not want to see all these stuff, they will not watch it. So it is somewhere or the other connected to your personality. Okay, let's talk about Roadies. Again, Roadies is also again a raw and a rugged show. Now nobody, I don't know how many watch these. कौन देखता है Roadies? I have stopped it from a lot of years till Raghu Rajiv left Roadies. Okay, Freya देखती है अभी भी Roadies. Okay. और people are watching it now. शांशी भी देख रहे हैं.
पहले अच्छा नहीं आता था
I hate it after they have left actually. Raghu Rajiv wale seasons, how many of you have seen them? They were excellent when they both were associated with this particular. Yes, Nandini. Nandini, आपने देखना बंद कर दिया अब?
यस मैम बहुत ही बेकार आता है अब तो.
Okay, तो शार भी देख. Okay. So here we are talking about different personality traits. So when we talk about Roadies, it's more rugged, raw. Somebody wants to see a lot of adventure है, उसमें activities हैं, tasks हैं. Again, age bracket is also associated here. Your parents may not want to see Roadies. हाँ, Nandini, you want to add something?
नो मैम वो तब का था.
अच्छा.
मैम मेरे साथ मेरे पेरेंट्स देख लेते हैं उनको भी इंटरेस्ट
देख लेते हैं. अच्छा, okay. Then we have fragrances. Fragrances may we have different variety of fragrances. So somewhere or the other, it is somewhere at the back of the mind connected to personality. Somebody who is maybe aggressive may like a certain type. This is a research actually. Ki personality traits are generally associated with the fragrances that people would like. So these are certain products that can be segmented and targeted on the basis of personality. Then we talk about opinions. So what do you mean by opinion? Opinion क्या है? Just give me an example and your opinion about something. Very strongly, what do you think about anything? Anybody?
मैम एनीथिंग लाइक इफ देयर समथिंग रिलेटेड टू द पॉलिटिक्स तो हम बोल सकते हैं आई हैव एन ओपिनियन फॉर और अगेंस्ट.
Okay. So opinion would be when you हाँ अभय बोलो बेटा.
यस मैम जैसे कि आपने बोला कि आपको रोडीज अच्छा नहीं लगता वो आपका ओपिनियन है.
Yeah, I मेरा opinion. So we can say some opinion it is my like or dislike for that matter. An opinion would be that I am against people who are into domestic violence maybe, or I'm very much I accept live-in relationship as a concept. So this is your opinion. No, ये opinion है. हर किसी का change होता है. LGBT community है. Or we talk about any sensitive issues. So what do you think about these? Anything in the world? It is an opinion. So when we use opinion as a segmentation variable, so when you see these animal testing nahi hai, we have Body Shop, we have other products, or we have this clinic, Dermatologica, a lot of products are working on only sustainable things. So as a human being, your opinion is that environment should be saved, and again when we talk about sustainability is very strongly embedded in your opinions. So a company who's targeting people who really want to take care of the environment, they don't want to waste anything, so उनके लिए products अलग तरीके के होंगे. The marketing communication will be different. Or the companies who there's this ad campaign by a US organization. There is a image that I've uploaded here. Consumers in the US go through around 900 million plastic bottles for laundry detergent every year. So somebody who does not want to buy a plastic bottle for a laundry detergent, they have a different kind of a packing, which will again somewhere or the other is into the back of their minds of the people that we should not use plastic and we should use a biodegradable material. So this is one opinion which may be embedded along with other segmentation variables. देखो पहले भी मैंने बताया था, you cannot rely on only one segmentation variable. सिर्फ एज के बेसिस पे नहीं कर सकते हो, you have to combine it with a lot of things. Maybe you want to target housewives as an occupation. Age would be 35 to 50 maybe, and plus an opinion that they don't want to harm the environment. This is a profile of a consumer that you want to actually target. आपने सेगमेंटेशन अलग अलग चीजों पे किया, यू कंबाइन ऑल द सेगमेंट्स एंड यू टारगेट अ फ्यू ऑफ देम. आई होप आई एम क्लियर एज टू सेगमेंटेशन कैसे करते हैं एंड टारगेटिंग कैसे होती है. एनीबडी हु हैज अ डाउट टिल हियर? All right, let's move ahead. Nobody has a doubt, I think. So we have next is activities. So again, what activities are you into your life? What activities are there in your lifestyle? You like to skydive. You like to go for a maybe आप ऋषिकेश जाते हो for a what is it called, surfing. Surfing के लिए surfing नहीं, sorry. What is the name of that activity that happens in
River
Rishikesh?
rafting. River rafting. River rafting.
नहीं river rafting. नहीं, रिवर रॉक तो एक पार्ट है उसका. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट एक्टिविटी दैट यू डू इन ऋषिकेश? अरे बोट पे क्या करते हैं?
हम बंजी जंपिंग.
River rafting. River rafting.
रिवर राफ्टिंग. Who was this? Again, हाँ, river rafting. So actually, what activities you are getting into on a regular basis? We have this IPL phenomena happening अभी this साल तो it was a flop. Obviously, IPL would not take place. But people actually go into these pubs and restaurants to just watch a game. This is a part of their lifestyle. So if a restaurant or a owner or a pub owner wants to target those customers who are actually watching these IPL shows in these lounges or the bars, so they have a separate sort of a product offering for them. उनके लिए अलग offers होंगे, couple entry पे इतना discount होगा, you come with your friends, your 5 people will give you 5 on 5 or whatever offers they may have, right? So this is the way you can use activities as your segmentation variable. Next, we'll talk about lifestyles. So people who are living a healthy lifestyle, they would prefer products like these. Maybe a Fitbit, maybe, or a smart, these Fitbits tell you the number of steps and cholesterol, or cholesterol-free products, green teas. All these are lifestyle products. I hope you've heard this word. It's a lifestyle product. कहीं सुना है कभी? It's a lifestyle product. A lot of companies are promoting certain products as lifestyle products because you've changed the way you're eating, you've changed the way you are dressing up, you've changed the way you think about things. So अगर आप regularly healthy रहना चाहते हो तो green tea and these green coffees are a regular product for these people. Now again, lifestyle में we have these examples of somebody who is very busy, shifts में काम करते हैं, time नहीं है. For them, they have these very small size laptops now available. Notebooks are available in the market. You have this anytime fitness gym, which is actually promoting itself that it's open 24 hours. So time is no limit. You can come anytime you want. People who are working in shifts can come at night. These laundry services are now getting popular in India, wherein people who are very busy, they're working, couples are working, they just put in their clothes in these laundry services and they just pay a fee and they get it done. So all these products are segmented on the basis of lifestyle somewhere. Lifestyle के साथ age combine हुआ होगा, maybe gender combine हुआ होगा, या हो सकता है some products are both for both the genders. Income would be a part somewhere, right? So I think, am I clear everywhere to everybody? What do you mean by psychographic segmentation? किसी को doubt है अभी तक in the entire topic of segmentation, because we are almost over? Okay, nobody has raised their hand, so I'm assuming everybody is clear. Last thing, see, let's talk about this voice search that we are talking about. Alexa hai or Siri hai, we talk about these products nowadays. How do you think these products are helping you as a company to build in consumer profiles? आप psychographic data बहुत extract करते हो as an. I hope you all know that these companies have all your data with them. पता है ना, जो भी आप सर्च कर रहे हो कि भाई Alexa put this song, Alexa I want to know what is the recipe of this, all this data is there with the organization which is selling it. Maybe it is Alexa or maybe it is some other product. How can a company use this AI? This is artificial intelligence. ये सबको पता है? What is AI? Okay, let's first understand what is AI. Artificial intelligence क्या है? अब्दुल्ला सिद्दीकी बेटा बता सकते हो? What is AI? Artificial intelligence. Okay, Abdullah is sleeping. He's not answering. Oh, let's talk to Khushi Goel. What is AI? Artificial intelligence. And those who do not know, beta, बहुत ही अजीब बात है. If you do not know what is AI, you're living in this century and you don't know what is AI. खुशी बेटा आप नहीं सुन रहे हो, so I think I should mark you absent for today. Just a second, let me note down. Just give me a second. Okay, let's talk to somebody else till I note down the name. Rahul Sharma. Rahul Sharma. Sleeping. Very good. All marked absent. Next, चलो जो hand raise कर रहे हैं, Yashi, बोलो बेटा. What is AI?
Ma'am, technological intelligence.
Yes. So how our company is using AI? क्या होता है AI? Suppose give me just one example, which is an example of artificial intelligence.
Ma'am, Alexa.
हाँ, Alexa is one. Yes. Okay. What is it
Yes,
doing
ma'am.
actually? It is a smart device. Smart device.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Arpit, बताओ बेटा.
Example of AI as it
Your voice is cracked. अर्पित आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा. एक बार फिर से बताइए. Your voice is cracking.
artificial intelligence.
नहीं सुनाई दे रहा. Okay, just drop a message on chat. By the time Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am. So I will give an example. Like games, if we play with different difficulties. So for at an easy difficulty, the artificial intelligence, the CPU try to mimic players who are just starting out. So that's why it is easy for the human to play better. But as we yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बोलो complete.
So, but as we increase the difficulty, like somewhat like an expert player would play, the CPU tries to mimic these like expert players how they will play, and then it becomes more challenging.
Yes. So when a device or a technological equipment tries to behave like a human being without being the interruption of an actual human, that is AI. So when you go to these chat boxes on your websites, we have an artificial intelligence wherein you have just standard questions put in there. So they will ask you, okay, well, what question or what query do you have? And if the AI database has that entire data with them, they'll answer them by own, and no customer care executive is actually required. Freya, yes बेटा.
मैम AI मतलब जो काफ़ी कंपनीज है ना वो एक रोबोट्स को एक ह्यूमन फॉर्म में देती है. जैसे एक कंपनी है हांगकांग की, आई गेस हैंसन रोबोटिक्स, मेरे को एग्जैक्टली नाम याद नहीं है, मैंने एक न्यूज़ में पढ़ा था. मैम एक ह्यूमनॉइड बनाया है जिसका नाम है सोफिया. तो सोफिया जो एक वो है रोबोट है, वो जिमी फैलन के नाइट शो में भी आई थी मैम. वो बेसिकली क्या करती है, वो ना पूरा एक ह्यूमन को मिमिक करती है, उसकी लैंग्वेज, बॉडी लैंग्वेज, एक्सप्रेशंस, एवरीथिंग.
Yes. So when we are, it's a basic, you can say meaning is you are just giving a human characteristics to a machine who's trying to do regular human jobs without human intervention. That is AI. So when we say Alexa के पास data है, or maybe ये Google Home for Amazon's Alexa to discuss the personal preferences, हर Alexa के पास data है what that particular house is searching on that Alexa. Maybe recipes देख रहे हैं, music देख रहे हैं, travel related information is being asked on a regular basis or what? Okay, अभिन. हाँ जी अभिन बताइए बेटा.
Ma'am, Google Maps can also be artificial intelligence.
Yes, somewhere yes, because it is guiding you accordingly to your location. But again उसमें क्या है कि you cannot get always, जैसे क्या होता है कि programmed होते हैं ये AI. Suppose I give you some direction and you as a machine you think and respond. Google Maps अभी भी एक one way direction पे ही deal करता है. Whatever you just put in that, they will just respond you accordingly. It is like that. But when it is integrated with your Google as a search engine, and it gives you know what are the areas or what are the restaurants near me, that is somewhere a part of AI. All right. Now अर्पित ने मैसेज किया है Google Photos.
बट वो चीज तो इंसर्टेड है ना.
हाँ वही मैं बोल रही हूँ बेटा, इंसर्टेड है, बट आप कोई बात नहीं कर सकते उससे. आप कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछोगे तो वो आपको रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करेगा, either through text or you through voice. Somebody who's interacting with you like a human being, that is actually AI, right?
ऑटोमेटिक कार्स.
हाँ.
ड्राइवरलेस कार्स. Driverless
cars, yes, obviously that is a very good example. Arpit has given this example. Google Photos is a software which runs on AI and it runs facial recognition. Yes, this is a very good question. Very, very good example. आपके Google Photos में, how many have seen it? You know, it clubs the photographs into different segregations according to their images. That is an excellent example of AI. Yes, thank you so much, Arpit. Then we have this slide, last slide for today. It will just give you an information as to what data these AI actually extract. Psychographic data inside extract करती है AI systems, which will tell you where are your customers on the internet, what kind of things are they surfing, what Insta use करते हैं, Facebook use कर रहे हैं, or what is a niche marketing strategy that you can use to tap a particular set of customers. Somebody is searching more on music, somebody is more on music. Suppose तो वो समझ आ जाएगा, वो Alexa is with maybe somebody who's maybe this particular age bracket, इनको गाना ज़्यादा पसंद है, or they are bachelors, or maybe they are living as couples, or they may party a lot, उनके पास dance numbers बहुत चलते हैं. So all this entire database is there with these AI systems, and these are all psychographic information. So this winds up our segmentation as a topic. So these slides will be uploaded on your drive, on your files section. उसमें सारा data है, आपकी सारी slides हैं. So I've updated certain, and this is the updated one. I'll put it today. So all these differences are given here.